Open a new tab. In the bottom right, click the Customize this page pencil icon. Here you can upload your own image or pick from Chrome backgrounds. To add shortcuts, simply click plus add shortcut, then just add your site name and URL. Make sure you have the latest version of Chrome installed. Type in chrome://flags in the URL bar, hit enter. Search emoji in the search bar. You should find emoji context menu, select enabled. You will be prompted to restart the browser in order to use. How to use tab groups in Chrome.
In Chrome, while browsing any web page, simply click, hold down your mouse button, and drag the link up into Chrome's bookmarks bar. Drop it wherever you want, and it'll be there the next time you need it. Reopen recently closed tabs in Chrome. Right-click on your Chrome bar, then reopen closed tab. Use the Ctrl+Shift+D shortcut. Right-click on your Chrome icon on your taskbar, then you'll see Recently Closed. Drag bookmarks between Chrome profiles.
Trace your tracks in Chrome without leaving your page. Right-click on Chrome's back button in the top left of your screen and it will show you your recent history for that tab. If you see RTL, click on one of the entries. It will open the page in a new tab.
Using the Chrome browser can be significantly improved by remembering these useful keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+D bookmark the current page. Ctrl+F open the Find text box, allows you to search any page for words or phrases. Ctrl+H open the History tab. Google search knows how to search for a lot of things. What this means is you don't need to be too specific. With no quotation. With quotes. With quotes, use a hyphen to exclude words. If you want to cut one out, use the hyphen to tell the engine to ignore content with one of the other. No hyphen. Use a hyphen to exclude words. If you want to cut one out, use the hyphen to tell the engine to ignore content with one of the other. With hyphen. Use a colon to search specific sites. There may be an instance where you need to Google search for articles or content on a certain website.
This PowerPoint is credit to Ma'am Jessamine Garrido, my professor in XL 200. Sharing is caring. I hope you will learn in tips and tricks in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.